Hello, COM 3350 students. Here is our weekly recap and preview video. On this slide, I have reproduced a section of the schedule, and it's a different section than you're used to seeing because up till now you've seen weeks 1 through 4. Those are behind us now, so we're looking at the next section of the schedule. We're in Module 5, Week 5 this week, so it ends at 11:59 p.m. on Saturday, October 2nd. Can't believe we're going into October already. And this week you need to post your replies on the Zappos Google discussion board. So remember, I only hold you accountable for replying to people who made their original post on time, so you can go in there anytime during the week, make all your replies, and be done. If people make an original post late, I don't hold you accountable to reply to them, although it's nice to do if you're in there, if you're in the board, okay? So that's this week. Then I'd like to talk through the next few weeks just so you have an overview and an idea of what's coming. Week 6, you'll have your second checkpoint, which will have you looking at another chunk of the book Into Thin Air. So I encourage you to continue reading in that book so you'll be prepared for that second checkpoint. Now, if you look at week 7, module 7, your midterm study guide will be available that week, so it'll be inside the module and it will be accessible to you. The midterm exam is over chapters 1 through 7, so during that week, week 7, I strongly urge you to make sure you're all caught up with reading and reviewing. Go ahead and do the study guide and make sure you are as prepared as you can possibly be. I encourage students to prepare for an online exam the same way you would prepare for a classroom exam because there isn't enough time to try to look things up in the book. And the questions I ask are application questions, so it's not a matter of just looking up an answer. And also the index of this particular textbook is not as strong as it could be, so it doesn't always lead you to the terms you're looking for, I have found. So the best way to prepare is to do the study guide and make sure you're thoroughly versed in all of the terminology that's listed there. There's nothing on the exam that is not on the study guide. So that will be available to you in week 7. Now let's talk about week 8 because this is going to work a little differently than the prior modules. You need to take your midterm exam in week 8. Week 8 ends on the Saturday night, just like all the other modules do. However, WMU has a fall break on the calendar for 3 days in the middle of that week. Okay, so October 20, 21, and 22 are designated as fall break. I have put your deadline for the midterm on the 23rd, the day after that break ends. So during that week, you will have the full Sunday morning to Saturday night to complete that exam. There is that 3-day fall break in the middle there, which you may take off if you wish, which means you need to do your exam early in the week or on Saturday, okay? Or you can do it anytime during that week if you wish. I'm leaving it open during those days of fall break. So as an online student, if you're not planning on going away during that time, you might find those days useful for working. But at any rate, just remember that fall break kind of falls in the middle of that week, but I'm giving you the full week to do the midterm exam. So you will have until Saturday night to do the midterm exam. After the midterm in modules 9 and 10, we'll have another discussion board. This one concerns the Disney company, and as you can see here, again, you'll have a week to post your original and a week to post your replies. Always consult the task list for exactly what I'm looking for in both the original post and in the replies. Email me if you have any questions. I'm working on grading and it's coming along a little bit slowly, but I'm getting there, so I'll get your grades posted as quickly as I can. Have a wonderful week and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.